Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 10 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 10 ML1 inventory 1.1. Okay, you can see a project description to get idea about your project. You can download. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically, this time we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. Okay, you can download your Excel workbook from Pearson Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can see my Excel workbook. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Question number 2 is that use get and transform. Use get and transform to import the supplier table from the EM10M1 suppliers ABC the database. Ensure that table is loaded to the data model at import. Basically, in this step, in this question, we will have to export file. This name suppliers from the go to Excel workbook. Click on data. Moving on, click on data. Okay, then from database from that's I have saved this files in this folder exp22 em e10 m1 suppliers. Okay, its file will be export. Click on suppliers, then load. This file will be loaded. Okay, close and load. Close and load. Click on close and load. Okay, it will be load and close. Now query and then load to add the data model, load, continue. Okay, it's done. Supplier 9 is loaded. Ensure the table is loaded to the data model is at import. This question of 8.1. Ensure the data is loaded. Go to the query and edit. Okay, sorry. Go to the table design. Go to the suppliers and rename as supplier. Sheet 2 rename as suppliers. Okay, I have done this question. Now moving on to question number 3. Use get and transform to import the E10M1 inventory text file. Ensure the table is loaded to the data model is at import. Basically, in this question, we will have to import E10 inventory files from text. Okay, E10M inventory, it will be export and load. Then go to query. Okay, load, add this data to the data model, continue. Sheet 3 is loaded. E10M inventory, rename sheet 3 as a E10M inventory. Okay, I have done this question. And then ensure the table and load it to the data model as import. Okay, I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that use get and transform the import the E10M1 order text file. Ensure the table are loaded to the data model as import. Basically, step then import file E10M1 order text file. Go to the data tab. Click on new query from text file. E10M order file, import this file. Okay, then load this file and then load this. Okay, its name is, then click on query and load to add this data to data model. Load, continue. Okay, then rename sheet 4 as a E10M orders. We rename this sheet 4 as E10M order. Okay, I have done this question. I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that use get and transform the import the time 1 order details XLS file. Ensure all tables are loaded to the data model at import. Basically, then we will have to import this file. Go to data tab, new query, from file, from dash, sorry, XLS file, sorry, new query, from file, from Excel file. Here is the time 1 order details XLS file. Then import this file and load this order details and load this. Ensure all tables are loaded to the data model as import. Okay, load this. Then go to query, load to, add this data to the data model, load, then continue. Okay. Okay, rename this sheet 5 as a order details sheet. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that create a relationship between the suppliers table suppliers number field as E and then E10 and one inventory table supplier name field. Create a relationship between. We will have to create a relationship between this. Go to review. So you go to data tab. Okay, then relationship. Click on this relationship tab. Group. New. Okay. Relationship between the supplier table supplier name field and E10. Supplier table suppliers table supplier. Okay, worksheet table supplier and then E10 M inventory table supplier name. Worksheet table supplier and supplier number. Okay, then worksheet table. Okay, I have created a relationship worksheet table suppliers. Okay, column foreign supplier number, then worksheet table E10 inventory, then column foreign supplier number, then press OK. Then OK, close it. Okay, relationship will be created. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that create a relationship between the order details table product number field and the EM10 inventory table product number field. Create a relationship. Basically, in this question, we have to create a relationship between this. Okay, go to data tab and go to relationship. Okay, the new relationship is that worksheet table orders detail, worksheet table order detail, then column for is that product number field and then E10 M order E10 M10 orders this here. Okay, 10 table 1 inventory E10 M1 inventory sheet, then quantity, then product number, then press OK. The relationship will be created. I have done 7 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that create a relationship between the orders table order ID field and the order details table order ID field. Basically, in this question, we have to create a relationship between these fields. Go to the order detail sheet, go to data and go to relationship. New relationship is that Worksheet table, EM10 orders, then field as the order details table, order ID, okay, then data model tables order detail, then order ID, then press OK. Relationship will be created here. Now I have done 8 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that use power pivot to create a calculated column in the E10 M1 inventory table of the data models. Name the calculated column, total value of inventory and multiply the quantity on hand by the unit price in column. Use E10 M1 inventory. Go to the power pivot. Add a data models table. Click on this. So, okay, select this range. Select this table and then power pivot. Add the data model table. The table has already been. You can add columns. And model 2 calculated column total value of inventory and multiply the quantity on hands unit price design and then calculation. Add column is that number of inventory, value of total value of inventory, and then total value of inventory, then multiply the quantity on hands by the unit price in the column. Okay, then price is multiplying the unit price in the column. I want to, okay, you can see here return add columns, value of inventory, total value of inventory, then okay, quantity on hands, select on quantity on is equal to unit price, column, and then inventory multiply quantity and hands on the unit price in the column quantity. Okay, quantity on hands, multiplying by unit price, okay, then press enter. Okay, total value of inventory is shown here. Okay, you can see here from database. Okay, I have done 9 questions of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shows on PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignments, exam, quizzes and complete course. I am handling many student courses on Pearson Itlab. I can do all courses Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, accounting, finance, math and many more. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.